How to increase download speed in Opera GX. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, make sure your internet is working properly. Then head to the Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on the search bar. Now type Opera GX. Now click on search at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Opera GX and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, go back to the home screen and open up settings on a device. Now tap on connection and sharing. Now make sure your device is not connected to any VPN or DNS network. Now once you're done, simply tap on go back. Now scroll down and tap on apps. Go to app management. Now tap on the search bar. Now type Opera GX. Now click on search. Tap on Opera. Now click on force stop. Now tap on storage usage. Now tap on clear data. Now tap on delete and then go back. Now tap on data usage. Now enable background data. Now restart Opera GX. I hope this should fix the issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.